In the demanding world of snow and ice management, precision and efficiency make all the difference. Let's meet the Auto Speed Control, the latest technology to optimize your spreading performance. The Auto Speed Control automatically adjusts material flow to match your vehicle's speed, ensuring a consistent professional-grade application every time. The S light indicates you're going too slow, while the F light indicates you're going too fast. It's designed to help you save time and money while maintaining safety. Say goodbye to wasted material and costly oversalting. With Auto Speed Control, you'll achieve accurate spread rates even when stopping and starting at intersections or crosswalks. This system seamlessly integrates with all Fisher FleetFlex electrical hopper spreaders from 2016 and newer, using the truck's OBD2 port for instant reaction to changes in vehicle speed. Its intuitive plug-and-play design ensures minimal setup time and instant familiarity for operators. Contractors can feel confident knowing they're hitting target service levels every time. The Auto Speed Control provides measurable results that reduce slip and fall liabilities, ensuring your job is done right. From efficiency to profitability, Auto Speed Control is a game changer for snow and ice management professionals. Upgrade your spreader system with the Auto Speed Control. Visit your local Fisher dealer or head to our website for more information.